Embrace the way of nature, flow like water, adapt like bamboo. This timeless Taoist wisdom reminds us to navigate challenging times by embodying the qualities of water and bamboo. Water flows effortlessly, gracefully maneuvering around obstacles without resistance. Both water and bamboo demonstrate the importance of non-resistance and effortless action. Similarly, bamboo bends but never breaks in the face of adversity, showcasing strength and flexibility. This advice is guiding us to harmonise with nature's rhythms, to be resilient, adaptable and effortless.